What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best exercise bike under 300. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Ancheer B3008 Indoor Cycling Bike. Enjoy the workout with the Ancheer Indoor Cycling Bike without leaving the comfort. It is specially designed as an indoor bike and provides the same intensity as well as resistance as a road bike. And it comes under 300. The best indoor cycling bike under $300 can give you a more natural ride because it has a flywheel which weighs around 49 pounds. And the flywheel follows inertia-enhanced mechanism to increase the resistance. Besides that, the Ancheer indoor bike comes with a tension knob to control the resistance of the bike. By twisting the tension knob, you can adjust the intensity of your exercise. The tension knob is also designed as quick stop braking. That means you can start and stop at any time after pressing down it. Aside from that, the bike features adjustable handlebars which are completely non-slip and offers maximum comfort. Also, its pedals come with adjustable toe cages and straps to increase stability. Again, the seat of the exercise bike is padded and of course adjustable as well. It can move forward, backward, up and down to ensure comfortable riding. The machine features an LCD display to track your improvement, and you get a phone bracket designed for entertainment while exercising. Lastly, it has wheels for transportation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. When it comes to exercise, the variety is the spice of fitness. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse offers you a varied range of resistance. So, you can customize your workout. The machine ensures maximum comfort during exercise because it has a large seat which is cushioned and the seat is also adjustable. Besides that, the Exerpeutic bike is designed to support up to a weight capacity of 300 pounds. That means it comes with a heavy-duty design. The machine also gives you a large LCD to monitor the distance, speed, burned calories, and heart rate as well. There are hand pulse sensors on the handles of the exercise bike. And the main feature of Exerpeutic is, it comes with 8 levels of magnetic resistance. For that, users can get a more comfortable or strenuous workout as per their needs. By simply twisting the tension knob, they can control the magnetic resistance. Aside from that, the exercise bike features a 3-piece crank system that follows a high torque mechanism to create smooth and consistent pedaling motion. Again, the flywheel and V-belt drive offer you a quiet operation. Lastly, the machine is space-saving, which means you can fold it and store it anywhere at your home. At number 3, we have the Ancheer M6008 Indoor Cycling Bike. Ancheer Indoor Cycling Bike, Smooth Quiet Belt Drive Indoor Exercise Bike, Model Ancheer M6008, is another high-quality and budget-friendly exercise bike. It has an impressive design along with solid construction. The machine comes with the precision-balanced flywheel, and the flywheel follows the belt drive mechanism to provide the user's smooth workout. Besides that, the bike features an emergency push-down brake for an immediate stop. And it has adjustable resistance which you can increase or decrease according to your need. Again, Ancheer M6008 comes with the adjustable handlebars which have HDI rubber to fit your arm length and provide different ways of exercising. And the padded seat which is made of leather is also adjustable. The indoor cycling bike under $300 has a digital LED monitor to show your fitness improvement. You can monitor your progress by tracking time, distance, and calories. It also features a water bottle holder for hydration and a phone bracket for entertainment during the workout. The pedals of the bike have adjustable straps to increase stability. And like the other Ancheer exercise bikes under $300, it also has transportation wheels. At number 2, we have the Exerpeuticexer 1000 Desk Folding Exercise Bike. If you are looking for the best exercise bike under $300 which you can use while working, then we recommend you to check Exerpeuticexer 1000 Fully Adjustable Desk Folding Exercise Bike with Pulse. The Exerpeuticexer Work 1000 is widely popular and also considered as the best exercise bike under 300 for its excellent features. The machine features a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and its frame is made of steel to ensure maximum durability. The main impressive feature of the bike is it has an adjustable sliding desk. And you can use the desk for your laptop or other necessary devices. Besides that, you can adjust it forward, back, up and down. And also the desk can be adjusted in 0, 16, and 33 degrees angle positions as well. Again, you can use it as a standing desk when you are tired of sitting. Aside from that, Exerpeutic comes with the Airsoft seat, which is 2.5 inches thick. Engineers use aerodynamic healthcare technology so that the seat remains cool after many hours of use. The machine features 8 levels of magnetic resistance, which is also adjustable. And you get an LCD to indicate time, speed, calories and heart rate. The bike has a backrest which is cushioned with thick foam. The exercise bike can give you smooth and consistent paddling motion because it has a 3-piece crank system. Lastly, the exercise bike is foldable for convenient storage and has wheels for transportation. And finally at number 1, we have the Exerpeutic Gold 500 XLS Foldable Upright Bike. Exerpeutic Gold 500 XLS Foldable Upright Bike comes with a heavy-duty design to provide excellent workout results. Its frame is designed as X and made of steel so that it can tolerate the weight up to 400 pounds. And the frame also has a powder-coated finish to resist the corrosion. It comes with a large seat which is also cushioned. And the seat is comparatively large than the other exercise machines. Again, two-way adjusting system of the seat can accommodate 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches user's height. The machine has 8 levels of magnetic resistance which you can control with a tension knob to experience an easier or challenging workout. Exerpeutic Gold 500 features a large LCD that indicates calories burned, distance, time, speed, and pulse. You get heart pulse sensors that are placed on the handlebars to monitor the pulse. The exercise bike can give you a smooth and quiet workout as it features a 3-piece, high-torque, cranking system. Besides that, the precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive are reasonable to produce a natural ride. And the main unique feature of the Exerpeutic Gold 500 is, you can fold it to its half of the size to store in a convenient place. Lastly, you get a PVC equipment mat for floor protection which is 79 inches long and 35.4 inches wide. Again, the mat is waterproof. Overall, the machine provides you with a lot of features under 300. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.